in the process of finding out what an RV technician is, I found the NRVTA. And after looking, at this school, I decided that was absolutely something I wanted to do, but couldn't really afford it. And then I found out that they were accepting the GI Bill. And so I was able to attend school solely because I was approved for the GI Bill. My name is David Ward. I'm from Oklahoma. I'm a Army veteran. My experience with fundamentals is just really positive. Mr. Cooper and then all the TAs, just positive, lots of information. The hands-on portion of the fundamentals were really good just to tie everything that we've been learning. You fully understand it because you've now applied it. Then I started into the advanced classes for certified tech. My experience here has been really positive. I've really enjoyed all the instructors. They all very knowledgeable about their specific subject. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, you might be interested in that, I absolutely recommend checking out the NRVTA. If you are a veteran and you have GI Bill benefits, that's a viable option. I'm excited to get out there and start working, start helping people, start helping myself.